In today's video, I'll show you how to enable the in-app camera on Telegram. This feature allows you to take photos and videos directly within the app, saving you time and making your conversations smoother. Let's get started. Open the Telegram app on your device. Once you're inside the app, tap on the 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner to open the menu. From the menu, find and tap on Settings. Now, on the Settings page, scroll down until you reach the bottom, where you'll see information about your current version of Telegram. Tap and hold on this version information for a few seconds. A pop-up message will appear, asking you to long press again for the debug menu. Go ahead and tap and hold once more. This will open the debug menu, where you'll find several options. Look for the one that says Enable In-App Camera. Tap on Enable In-App Camera to activate the feature. Now you can exit the menus and go back to your chats. The in-app camera will be ready to use anytime you need it. And that's it. You've successfully enabled the in-app camera on Telegram. It's a simple process that makes capturing moments within the app much easier. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorial videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.